Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, in all likelihood will be walking out of Tihar jail today. And this after the Supreme Court granted bail to the AAP Supremo in the Liquorgate scam. The court criticized the CBI, calling Kejriwal's belated arrest as unjustified and highlighted that the ongoing probe should not turn into targeted harassment. The top court also noted that the trial is unlikely to conclude soon and deemed 22 months of incarceration as completely unnecessary, emphasizing that bail should be the norm and imprisonment an exception. The Supreme Court then ruled in favor of Arvind Kejriwal's release. The bail conditions are stringent. Kejriwal, for example, will have to refrain from making any public comments on the liquor case because it's ongoing. He cannot attend his office, which means essentially that he can't discharge his CM duties. He's also prohibited from signing official files. Conditions imposed in the ED case will also remain in place. He is required to fully cooperate with the trial court. It's, of course, a significant development for the Aam Aadmi Party politically because it comes ahead of the Haryana elections in which, of course, the AAP is fighting it alone without an alliance with the Congress. So Kejriwal's presence there will be crucial for them. And that's why there were celebrations that broke out as AAP leaders were seen distributing sweets and hailing the Supreme Court order. Let's take this across to Amit Bharadwaj, who's joining us live with the latest updates. Amit, we've got, in fact, all of these images coming in of celebrations as AAP leaders are celebrating now that Arvind Kejriwal is out on bail, expected to walk out sometime today.
Akshata, those visuals are coming and that will continue to come. But at this point in time, I'm joined by National General Secretary of the Aam Aadmi Party, Sandeep Pathak, because there are a lot of questions in regards to the restrictions that stay on Arvind Kejriwal. But before that, Sandeep ji, how do you see this bail? Because you were anticipating a big relief. First, ED bail happened, but Arvind Kejriwal had to stay back in the Tihar jail because of the CBI arrest. So what's your first reaction on this bail?
See, it is clear that no dictatorship can overshadow the constitution of this country. And constitution of this country is supreme. And nobody can undermine it. And today's verdict, whatever you have seen, is a landmark judgment. Not only for Aam Aadmi Party, not only for Arvind Kejriwal, not only for us, but to maintain and secure the constitutional fabric and the democratic fundamental rights of this country.
Are you saying that because of the observations that has been also made by the Supreme Court in this particular case, especially of Justice Bhuiyan?
See, there are two things. One is the bail, which is quite obvious. It would have come anyways, if not today, definitely tomorrow, because there is nothing in this case. This is a political witch hunt case. That's it, number one. Number two, the most startling part is that Justice has highlighted a couple of things about the CBI, the manner in which CBI arrested Arvind Kejriwal while being already in judicial custody, and he was about to come out in a bail. And then they just went on and then arrested him. The intention of the CBI was only to ensure that the Kejriwal should not come out from the jail. That means they have highlighted that the CBI should not behave like a caged parrot, rather they should be free of all these things. They are the custodian of the constitutional process, and therefore it's a very big statement. This entire case, what you see, is a political and it's a motivated, and just to ensure that Kejriwal is out of the political arena.
One quick question, sir. I know this is a moment of celebration for the Aam Aadmi Party leadership, but the BJP is also hitting back, saying that, first Arvind Kejriwal was a CM in jail, now is a CM on bail. He cannot actively work as the Chief Minister of the Delhi because of the restrictions which are there. How do you respond?
Well, these restrictions, what you just mentioned, we will study it a little more, and then whatever judicial process is available in front of us, we'll adopt in due course. But Bharatiya Janata Party always wanted to arrest Arvind Kejriwal, and he would then resign, and they would then dismantle the government. They wanted to break down and bring down the Aam Aadmi Party. This did not happen.
Final question, sir. Is Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, going to be on the campaign path now? Haryana, then you have Maharashtra and Jharkhand as well, where your allies, India allies, will be contesting, and then eventually Delhi contest. So is Arvind Kejriwal going to be an active campaigner for Aam Aadmi Party as well as the India alliance from here?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. That is what we are here for. That is our duty, and we'll hit the ground very soon.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot for speaking to us. So that was Sandeep Pathak of the Aam Aadmi Party saying that, Arvind Kejriwal will be on campaign mode from here on. And obviously, as you heard, Akshata, AAP is certainly going to push forward this narrative. The observation by the Supreme Court of case Parrot, what we are given to understand, as Sandeep Pathak was also referring to during our conversation. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much, Amit, for getting us those voices from the ground. The Aam Aadmi Party jubilant right now. But as far as that condition is concerned, about him not being able to attend office or sign official files, they're saying we have to go through a detailed order and then figure out how really we're going to find our course through that particular hurdle. So we'll see what really they have to say. But let's play out some of the reactions for you from both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP on this big development.
So, it's a big relief.
It's a very
party and for
it's a very big relief for Mr. Kejriwal, for the party, and for the citizens of Delhi. Actually, that their chief minister is coming out today. Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuvan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
So, the conditions imposed include, that he cannot sign those files, he cannot enter the CM office. What do you say about that?
So those are the conditions which were imposed by the PMLA in the PMLA judgment by Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Those conditions are already operating in the ED matter. So anyways, those conditions have been continued, but those conditions can always be modified. Let Mr. Kejriwal come out, and then we'll see what needs to be done in future, what kind of modifications.
So your side has also asked that the bail bond should be filled in the jail premises only, not to the trial court. So
this was just to expedite his coming out. We are still to see what the court had said, but it doesn't make a difference because the order will be out soon and we can apply to the trial court and the release order would be passed.
We can say that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is walking out from Tihar today?
Mostly he'll come out today itself.
भारत में संविधान से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. जिस तरह से तमाम तरह की तानाशाही और कुचक्र चले, लेकिन अंत में जीत संविधान की हुई और संविधान ने जो ताकत आम आदमी पार्टी को दी उसकी हुई. तो भारत में संविधान से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का संदेश सिर्फ केजरीवाल जी की जमानत के बारे में नहीं, इस देश के लोगों को आश्वासन के रूप में भी बहुत बड़ा संदेश दिया है. आज के सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से यह भी साफ हो गया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ईडी और सीबीआई के माध्यम से जो साजिश रची थी कि पहले ईडी से गिरफ्तार कराइए और जब ईडी से जमानत मिलने वाली हो तो सीबीआई से गिरफ्तार करा लीजिए. ये भी आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से साफ हो गया कि सीबीआई की गिरफ्तारी केवल और केवल एक इंश्योरेंस अरेस्ट थी. ईडी की जमानत से केजरीवाल जी बाहर आ जाएं उनको रोकने के लिए थी. तीसरा,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेंच ने यहां तक कह दिया कि क्यों मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर ये कंडीशंस लगाई गई हैं कि वो सचिवालय नहीं जा सकते, फाइलें साइन नहीं कर सकते, मेरी समझ के बाहर है. मगर क्योंकि दूसरी बेंच ने ये कंडीशंस लगाई हैं इसलिए इसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आज का ये जो फैसला है, मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार के अंदर आज अगर थोड़ी सी भी गैरत हो तो केंद्र सरकार के गृह मंत्री को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए. गृह मंत्रालय के अधीन सीबीआई आती है. कोर्ट ने साफ तौर पे कह दिया कि देश की प्रीमियर एजेंसी बदले की भावना से, कपट छल से काम कर रही है. मुझे लगता है गृह मंत्री को एक दिन भी अपनी सीट पे रहने का हक खत्म हो गया है.
कोर्ट ने जो भी निर्णय लिए है वो उसका स्वागत करते हैं और पूरा देश स्वागत करती है. हमारे देश के लिए ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जुडिशरी जिस तरीके से ऑर्डर्स दे रही है वो देश की जनता के अंदर एक विश्वास पैदा करे. चाहे राजनीति कितनी भी गंदी हो जाए, इतनी गंदी राजनीति होने के बाद भी देश की जो जुडिशरी है वो अबव द बोर्ड है और सत्य के पक्ष में हमेशा न्याय करती है. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. ये कोई एक पार्टी का एक व्यक्ति विशेष का बात नहीं है जिसको मैं कहूं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी छूट गए. इस देश के लिए आज एक बहुत ऐतिहासिक दिन है.
इस आदेश के आने के बाद सबसे पहले जो अहम है, अति आवश्यक है, दिल्ली की जनता की आवाज जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी उठाती रही है, अरविंद केजरीवाल को तुरंत चाहिए. कि वो अपने पद से इस्तीफा दे दे, लेकिन बेशरम अरविंद केजरीवाल ऐसा करेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल में एक बूंद नैतिकता नहीं बची है। जो अरविंद केजरीवाल राजनीति में आकर कहते थे कि अगर किसी नेता पर आरोप लग जाए तो इस्तीफा दे दे, आज वो कंडीशनल बेल पाते हैं और तब भी 6 महीने तक किसी संवैधानिक पद पे कोई व्यक्ति बैठा हो, उसके लिए तो एक दिन अगर वो जेल चला जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। यहां 6 महीने तक जेल में रहकर आए और आज कंडीशनल बेल मिलने पर भी इस्तीफा नहीं दिया है।
बेल मिलना है, कोर्ट का प्रोसीजर है, हमें उस पर कोई हैरानी नहीं है, लेकिन जिस तरह की पाबंदी अरविंद केजरीवाल पर लगाई गई है कि आप सीएम के दफ्तर नहीं जा सकते, फाइल साइन नहीं कर सकते, इस केस पे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकते, विदेश नहीं जा सकते, तो अरविंद केजरीवाल अगर आप में जरा से भी नैतिकता है तो आपको आज तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे आदमी को दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बने रहने का अधिकार नहीं है, जो मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में घुस भी ना सकता हो।
कि कोई भी जमानत जो है किसी भी आरोपी को दोष मुक्त होने का प्रमाण पत्र नहीं है, सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, आदेश नहीं है। तो कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जमानत दी है, तो क्या उनको दोष मुक्त घोषित कर दिया है क्या? उनके ऊपर जो आरोप लगे हैं वो आरोप मुक्त हो गए हैं क्या? इतनी तो ABCD जिनको मोहल्ले का भी जो समझ रखते हैं वो भी जानते हैं, ये तो मुल्क के नेता बने हुए घूम रहे हैं, मोहल्ले की समझ भी नहीं रख रहे हैं।
क्योंकि ये सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का सर्वसम्मत का फैसला है, इसलिए हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं और कहना चाहते हैं भाजपा इससे सबक सीखे। मोदी जी, आपकी सरकार सबक सीखे। लोकतंत्र में विरोधी नेताओं को इस तरह प्रताड़ित करना लोकतंत्र के लिए उचित नहीं है।
Let's bring in Kanu Sarda, who's joining us live from the Supreme Court with more details on exactly what the Supreme Court had to say. Kanu, 2 aspects, of course, to this conversation. One, about the scathing observations made by the top court while granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal, where they've pulled up the CBI, questioning the timing of the CBI stepping into this particular case. Run us through those points, and then we'll talk about the terms and conditions.
Yes, Akshita, the condition, the observations by the top court on the way the CBI has arrested Arvind Kejriwal assumes significance because, top court had observed in its verdict that, the timing of the arrest by the CBI and the process in which, he was arrested soon after the ED, in the ED case he was granted bail, was questionable. Supreme Court went on to say that it was a travesty of justice if this kind of arrest is being done. Supreme Court also said that CBI should be using the power of arrest sparingly. And, Supreme Court has also said that, in this country, we go by a particular perception. So this perception that, the power of arrest should not be misused. And Supreme Court also, reiterated its old verdict in way back in 2013 when it was said that, CBI is a caged parrot and, the CBI should not behave like the same. So we are seeing, a lot of criticism for the CBI for arresting Arvind Kejriwal from the top court, but also a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal because he will now walk out free from Tihar Jail because he's already out on interim bail on the ED case. So it's a big relief for him, but a lot of scathing observations for the CBI. And will CBI be able to prove all the allegations that it has raised before the trial court or not? Because now the onus is more on the CBI to prove the arrest, prove the charge sheet that, they're going to, press for Arvind Kejriwal and other people involved in the case. Because now we see most of the accused are already out on bail in the Delhi excise policy. So more onus will be on the investigating agencies now before the trial court to make sure, the case they have pressed so far. Whether there is a watertight case or not, that remains to be seen.
All right, can you just stay with us? Let's focus really on the conditions that have been put on Arvind Kejriwal when he walks out of Tihar jail. Number one, no public comments can be made on the liquor case itself. He can't speak on the ongoing investigation and the allegations against him. These 2 points are very important. One, that Arvind Kejriwal cannot attend office. So it means he can't visit the CM's office. He can't go ahead and discharge his duties. Along with that, he can't sign official files as well. So essentially, he can't go ahead and give his approval for any projects, which obviously means that nothing essentially can move forward in Delhi unless they decide to change the chief minister. Now, besides that, conditions also imposed in the ED case in which he was granted interim bail, that also will remain in place in this particular case as well as the conditions for his bail. Full cooperation with the trial court has also been mandated by the Supreme Court. So these are the conditions. While, in fact, you've got all of Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party celebrating right now, and Arvind Kejriwal will walk out of Tihar. It's a big question mark, really, on how he can continue as CM if the condition by the Supreme Court is that he can't sign official files and can't attend office. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us live right now from Tihar jail with more details of what's really happening there. Shreya, are we expecting Arvind Kejriwal to walk out today? Is the legal team looking to finish all the formalities in the next few hours?
Well, yes, Akshita, just to give a sense on what the procedure follows from after the bail has been pronounced, the surety amount with the bail order will have to reach Tihar jail. Once that is done, the entire process will barely take some 45 minutes to an hour. So the reason behind that is his medical checkups will have to be done. The things that he has got with him to the jail, all that has to be released. So that procedure takes up a time from 45 minutes to an hour. So the moment the bail order reaches the Tihar jail, we can say that we will see the process beginning. We are at 12:18 now. Say by 2 to 3, we are expected to see Arvind Kejriwal walk out of Tihar jail. To give a sense, this is the gate from where Arvind Kejriwal had stepped out during his interim bail. This is the gate, which is the usual entry and exit point for jail number 2, where Arvind Kejriwal is. So once the update comes, we will surely see some developments taking place over here. As has been earlier, we're expected that Aam Aadmi Party officials will also want to show a show of strength outside from Tihar jail itself.
Okay, so Shreya telling us what's really the situation there. Shreya, have AAP workers started gathering there? Because we understand when Kejriwal walks out, it's going to be a big show by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, yes, absolutely, Akshita. As if now we are yet to see the Aam Aadmi Party workers come over here. What we're essentially looking at is that press conference that will be addressed by Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh. So all the senior leaders, they would most likely come from there to Tihar jail along with their supporters. So definitely by 1 p.m. onwards, we might just see a sea of supporters waiting outside Tihar jail for Arvind Kejriwal. So the planning has already started, and soon the pictures will also resemble the same outside the Tihar jail.
Okay, Shreya, getting us all of those details from Tihar jail. Expected that Arvind Kejriwal will walk out today once the formalities are taken care of.